Visibility 3, haze, sky condition clear, temperature 24, dew point 18, altimeter 29 or 9 or 8. Runway 27, runway 36 left in use. VFR departures, follow the direction of the EAA flagman to the departure runway. Do not call ground control for taxi. VFR aircraft departing runway 27, monitor FAA controllers 128.75 for departure instructions. VFR aircraft departing runway 36 left, monitor FAA controllers on frequency 118.9 for departure instructions. IFR aircraft with a departure reservation, contact clearance delivery frequency 119.05 for clearance and approval. For engine start, no earlier than 30 minutes prior to estimated time of departure.
All right, we got 1,300 feet set for the altitude. That's as high as we can go until we get past their airspace.
Trisha's the queen of selfies. She's supposed to be holding that sign there over her left shoulder. Oops, there it is. Flew right out the window. Couple more selfies. Oh yeah, I need to hold that sign. Oh, where'd it go? Nope, not down there. Where'd it go? Yeah, oh, there it is, out there on the grass. Oops. Good thing that Michael printed 2 of them and laminated them. So there's the second one. That sign is VFR, lets the ground personnel know what type of flight we're departing as. And it's important for them to know that so they can direct us to the correct runway. There's some ground personnel who's going to pick it up, see if she wanted it, but nope. She'll show them we got the second one and we're all good. At this point, they have us taxiing down Papa 1 taxiway and going to plan on departing on runway 27 headed to the west. Right there in front of us is the departure end of runway 36. There was a long line of aircraft trying to depart off of runway 27 as the weather was a little lower this morning and everybody kind of got backed up. After a few minutes sitting here, they advised us they're going to open up 18 off of the Papa 2 taxiway. So we got the opportunity to spin around and taxi south on Papa to grab Papa 2 taxiway. Take a listen at how busy air traffic control is now.
Hey, I need you rolling. No, you're rolling. Are you guys a flight? It's your flight, you both go. Go now. Flight of 2. Flight of 2, clear for takeoff. Go, I need you guys rolling, both of you. Come on, guys.
Come on, Nevian, you need to roll. The red and white one. Red, white, and blue. There you go. Thank you.
The gray high wing, right side, line up and wait. Gray high wing, right side, line up and wait.
You're recording this?
On the left side, line up and wait. The white low wing that's in position left side, clear for takeoff. Go, go, go. Left side, good job. There you go. The Hotel Lima, line up and wait on the right side. Line up on the right side.
So he's telling them the runway's wide, so he's getting people to line up on one side and line up on the other, so then he's alternating takeoff.
Okay.
So he's getting 2 airplanes on the runway.
Green and gray, or green and yellow.
And I just want to make sure we're 18 right?
Yep, correct. Clear for takeoff.
Traffic.
Okay. There you go. The silver RV, line up on the right side. Silver on the right side. Let's see, the one on the right, blue and white, clear for takeoff. You go, you're good. Excellent. Lima Charlie, go line up on the left side.
Was that us?
No.
Oh.
No, we got a few airplanes ahead of us.
Okay. I wasn't sure.
Yellow, go line up on the left. Correction, line on the right side. Yellow and green, left side, clear for takeoff.
Yellow and green, left side.
Yellow, line up on the right side. Line up behind the silver.
You're recording?
Yep.
Okay, good. I want to get all this audio.
It's good.
Silver on the right side, clear for takeoff. All right, everybody up. Just follow the guys in yellow here when you get to the runway. Lima Charlie, clear for takeoff. Lima Charlie, clear for takeoff. Blue and white at the runway. Line up on the left side. Go to the left side. Full for Papa. Line up on the right side behind the yellow. Yellow on the right side. Clear for takeoff. Go, go, go.
Go, go, go. This guy's high strung.
Yes, he is.
All right, you ready? Seatbelts on. Everything's on there.
Silver and yellow. Go on the left side. Line up and wait.
Boost pumps on.
Hotel Mike. Go on the left side. Line up and wait. 6 Papa Golf. Line up on the right side.
Make sure
line up behind
props
the
are still
balloon.
good.
Maroon and right. Clear for takeoff. Go, go, go. Mike Juliet. Go to the left side. Line up and wait. Go over to the left side. Line up and wait. Yellow and gray on the left side, clear for takeoff. The white on the right, line up on the right side, line up on the right side. The white and blue there with the blue stripe. Papa Golf, clear for takeoff, go, go, go. Silver, line up on the left side, The red and black, line up on the right side. Mike Juliet, clear for takeoff. Mike Juliet, clear for takeoff, good job. LZ, line up on the right. Quebec Papa, the Warbird, go line up on the left. Kilo Lima, clear for takeoff. Go, go, go. White on the right, clear for takeoff. Go ahead, move up and move me. Zulu, got people coming behind you. There you go. 9 Delta, line up on the right side. Silver on the left, clear for takeoff. Silver on the left, clear for takeoff. 9 Delta, line up on the right. 4 Juliet, go to the left when you can. Line up on the left when you can. Lima Zulu on the right side, clear for takeoff.
Ready to go?
Yeah.
Good job. Up here at the runway, go to the left. Go low wing it, go on, line up on the left side. Go line up on the left side, please. The silver RV on the left, clear for takeoff. Silver on the left, clear for takeoff. High, Tundra tires, line up on the right side. Line up on the right side for me, go ahead.
Traffic.
Something on the runway.
All right, stand by.
Traffic. Traffic. Traffic.
I got
All right, everybody's just hold position. We got FOD on the runway. They're going to run and get it. We'll get moving here momentarily. Everybody be ready to go.
Fire on the runway?
FOD.
FOD?
Debris.
Altitude.
All right, yellow on the right side, low highway, clear for takeoff. The Tundra tires, right side, line up and wait. Yellow Tundra tires, go line up on the left side. Yellow Tundra tires, line up on the left side.
Are we clear?
Okay, aircraft lined up on the left side. Left side, you are clear for takeoff. Left side's clear for takeoff.
Almost.
And the Tundra tires number 2 here, the green and white, line up on the right side, behind the maroon or orange one there. Orange one on the right side, orange and white, clear for takeoff. On Tundra tires, on the right, you're clear for takeoff.
Listen, when you guys get into position, just move up in front of the blue dot so we can put somebody behind you. Move up a little. Both of you Tundra tires, move up a little. There you go.
Yellow left side, clear for takeoff. Clear for takeoff, yellow left side. Let's see, Amphib, go to left side, line up and wait, just get in front of the blue dot. 6-8 Yankee, line up on the right side. Green and white, Tundra tires on the right side, clear for takeoff. Right side, clear for takeoff. Good job. Twin, line up on the right, a little bit in front of the blue dot. 055, go line up on the left side behind Fib. Amphib on the left side, be careful for the slow traffic. Amphib, you're clear for takeoff. Offset if you need to. The yellow and maroon, line up on the left side.
Right in front of me. Can you see him?
Number 2,
right here.
low wing there,
Look.
line
Oh,
up
you're
behind the
kidding
twin.
me.
Behind the twin.
Because he's outside of Class D, now he wants to go right, so.
So he wasn't even paying attention that
No, he doesn't need to pay attention to me.
Right side, clear for takeoff.
Everybody's getting clear of the Class D, so now we're all making turns to our destination.
Good job, a little bit in front of the blue dot for me. Maroon and yellow on the left side, clear for takeoff. Go, go, go. Clear for takeoff on the left side. Very good. Good job, guys.
We caught up to the Goodyear blimp on the left-hand side.
He's going to come over our left-hand side.
High wing on the right side, yellow.
Do you want video or picture?
I don't care.
On the right side,
Pictures.
go, go, go. Good job. The yellow
He's on the
high wing,
cameras.
yellow and white high wing, line up on the right side. Mini Mustang, you're on frequency. Yellow, or correction, silver on the left side, clear for takeoff. Silver on the left.
All right, we'll get rid of that frequency. Don't see that every day.
We continued to see a lot of traffic that was leaving Oshkosh as we continued our flight south towards Charlie 77, Poplar Grove, Illinois. The rest of our flight went pretty uneventful. Our plan was to get to Poplar Grove, land, put the airplane away, jump in Trisha's car, head back up to Oshkosh for the award ceremony that evening. There's Charlie 77 straight in front of us. We overfly the field, enter the left downwind for runway 30. There's short final. We'll make the left-hand turn off midfield. Main taxiway, right turn on taxiway golf.